HexOS versus Unraid. Let's get started. So let's start with HexOS. HexOS, a newcomer built on true NAS scale, offering a simplified cloud access UI. It also designed for quick setup and minimal user friction. Unraid, on the other hand, is a mature x86 based home NAS OS, well known for its ease of use, flexible desk pooling, Docker app support, and VM hosting. So let's talk about their pros, starting with Hex. It offers an ultra-simple setup, which is wizard-based install, handles hardware detection, and storage pools in under 10 minutes. It also has a modern UI and automation, and it comes with TrueNAS power built on ZFS TrueNAS scale. Now, Unraid, on the other hand, offers a highly flexible, which supports MISC, DEX, rate arrays with parity, and also has a mature product and local control. So in conclusion, choose HexOS if you want a modern, no-fuss NAS that works out of the box on spare PC hardware, and choose Unraid if you want a robust, flexible, proven NAS with Docker and VM support.